Hi guys, hope you are doing well and you are watching Hyper IT Sec channel, and this is the final video for the Mautic. And in this video we will run the campaign for your business, or we can also run the campaign in order to find the job as well if you are a newly graduate. So let's start. So first of all we have to run the if we want to run the campaign, so we have to create the context because it is empty, because we have newly deployed Mautic in the previous video, and now we are going to run the campaign through this Mautic software. So first of all we have to create one contact. Please watch complete video because all these steps are integrated with each other. If you miss any step, definitely you will be in problem. So you have to focus on each and every step. So first contact, you can see that it is empty. So first of all we have to add one contact, and in order to add the contact we have to press onto the new, go back, press onto the quick because we have to enter more details. So we have to click onto the add quick, so in less detail we can complete our task in less details. Let's say I'm giving the name of someone. Okay, oh sorry. Then we have to save it. Once the contact is created, then we have to export this contact into the XLS file. Focus on each and every step what I am telling you. Export to Excel. It will be exported within a seconds. Keep. Okay, now double click on this file. So you can see that, let me bigger the screen. You can see that. So we have to follow the same pattern, but you cannot upload this file onto the Mautic because Mautic always support CSV file. So we have to add one more contact. Let's say ID is 4.0. It will remain as it is. Give it my name, Hidayat, and let's say this, and I have to enter my email address, chef.890@gmail.com. Okay, once we put the required information, so we have put the one information of my guy, and I have put one information of myself over here. Once you put it over there, then you have to save it, and once you save the information, uh, now you have to go into the Google and type XLX to CSV converter. Once you have this online free converter, you can see that you can just type onto the Google and that's it. Then select the file, This one is the file, and then convert. It will take around 2 to 3 seconds, not more than that. And once you done, click download. It will be downloaded. Okay, now we have to upload this file. Why we did this step? Because we have to we need format, specific format, because we don't have the format. uh, because Mautic always understand some sort of format, some specific format can be understand by the Mautic. So we have created one contact as a raw, and once created, then I downloaded it and I convert into the, then I added the different contact and convert into the CSV file. I think everything is clear. Don't skip the video, see every step properly. Now once you did it, no need of this contact. Let's say I'm going to delete it, this contact, delete that contact. Now we have empty contact. So we have to create, whenever we run the campaign, we need bunches. Means we always run campaign through the segment wise. In one segment there's a lot of contacts, maybe 100, maybe 200. So first of all, now we have to create the segment. Click onto the new, give it the name test, 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 and that's it. And save and close. Now we have to import our two contacts into the, or bulk contacts into the segment. So go into the contacts, click the new, import multiple contacts, click on that, select the file, select the file. Now here is the limit. Before moving forward, I am telling you this is the limit. If you are going to upload the 99 contacts, 98 contacts, then this would be 100, it would be fine. Otherwise you have to click on to the here, and you can make it 500, 600, even 1000. So rest of the parameters will remain same, because it is as per the format, Mautic format, so don't disturb it. So once you choose the file, click on this file, upload it. It will take around 1 to 2 seconds, but depending on your contacts. Now we have to select the contact segment. Now we have to go into the company side. In company side, we have to select email, and then import. Okay, contact has been created. So we have to move on to the segments. You can see that we have one contact, because one contact is overridden over there, because I have already tasked over Zohaib Sheikh. That is the reason. So that email was in the database, so that is the reason Mautic ignored it. So in your case, obviously every email will be unique, so it will be added automatically. So you have one contact in one segment. Okay, in your case, when you will upload the a lot of data, means 100, 200, means same quantity will be reflected over here. Now we have to now we have to attach asset. Asset means whatever document you need to send along with your email. Means, let's say your resume, your CV, or email marketing proposal, whatever. Means whatever you want to attach with every email, that will be your asset, maybe your logo. So it's depending on the situation. So once you insert the assets, I'm just attaching one dummy file. You can attach your CV, you can attach your business proposal, whatever you want. just click onto the new. Once you click onto the new, you have to give title like test 1, alias test 1. And if you want to write description something along with the data, along with the attachment, so it's on up to you. I don't want to do anything, so I'm just attaching this contact. So it's done. Now we have to save and close. Now available for use, you can see that. Now we have to go on to the channels. Now we have to click onto the emails. You have to follow each and every step very carefully, because every step is integrated with each other, associated with each other, integrated with each other. So you have to follow each step properly. Now you have to click onto the new. Now you have two types of campaign. Means you can, let's say you can create rules over the triggered email. You can create your own rules. It is very simple. You can create your own rules. Means if somebody opens your email, then it should be in the subscribed list, and software can send, Mautic can send automatic emails in every week or in every alternative days. So you can create the rules. For time being, we are not creating the rules. We are just simply going to run one campaign for the business or for the CV, whatever you can say. We are just testing one campaign because we are running one campaign. So in your case, you can decide what type of campaign you want to run, conditional campaign or simple campaign. So we are going for the simple campaign, so that your concept become clear. So click onto the select option. Then we have a different type of templates. We have blank template. You can design your own template. You can edit this template if you want. Just you click it. It will be open in front of you, and you can just click on that, and you can open that template and edit it according to your requirement. So in our case, we have to go on to the advanced, and we have to select this test one. Attachment means this test one we have already made the attachment uh, by the name, with the name of test one, so we have to attach it. That's it. And now we can add our summary. Kindly find my CV, or whatever you want to write over here. You can write anything over here like hi, I am looking for the job, or hi, we are offering different type of services, or whatever you want. I'm leaving this as blank, but if you want to reflect something to your client or to your employer in the email body, you can write over here. So next we have to go on to the theme. We select this theme, and we can edit this theme as well if we want. So we can edit this theme as per our requirement, but for time being it is simple because we are going to just test the email. Now we have to save and close. Now we have to do some more things. Sorry for that. Subject, let's say I'm giving just dummy subject. You can obviously create your own subject. So request for leave, just I'm giving the dummy request for leave. Then internal name, you can see that request for leave, whatever you want. If you want to put it, but it is not mandatory. Now this is very important because you have to, the email will be, once you trigger the email will be sent to your segment. That is the reason we created the segment. So test 2 is the segment, and then we have to click save and close. So we have to click onto the email. You have one pending contact and zero send, zero read. So this is fantastic tool because once we read it, it will also reflect here. So definitely you will let because this software will let you know that what is the percentage of your email success rate. So it will a very useful software and perfect for your business. So click on to the, you want to run this campaign now, it is ready to run, and just you have to click on that and you have to press send option. There is one pending contact. Are you sure you want to send? Once you press the send, so in my case it is, there is only one contact, so it will be sent within a second. Let's say if you are going to put 100 contacts or 500 contacts, so it will take around 5 to 6 minutes. In the meanwhile, don't refresh your browser, keep your browser as it is until the operation become completed. I hope you got my point. Now press the send button. For sending, yes, send. Email sending is in progress. Email has been sent and zero failed, means you have successfully run the campaign. Now we have to check our email address. I want to check my email address. So whether I am receiving or not, so I have to open my email address. Let me close this. So I have opened my another email onto the different tab of the browser. Now we have to go inside the email so that we can check it if it is received or not. And once we click onto the inbox, yes, the file is available. You can see that we have successfully received the email in our Gmail inbox. Means no spam and no, we didn't face any problem. It is absolutely smooth operation. So we received our email, our inbox, everything is good, and we have to click on that. You can see that this is the dummy. We had selected the format and it was the dummy. So in your case you have to add your the format, or before sending you have, if you are going to send your CV, means you have to send your CV, so you can just enter your information or simple letter to the employer in the email body so that they can read it. So everything is good. You can see the attachment over here. Attachment is also there. You can attach your CV, business proposal, or whatever you want, and you can attach it. So I think everything is good now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video a lot. Please forward to your family and friends. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.